This is the final video to fix the GPU not supported error in OBS Studio. If you're trying to stream or record using OBS Studio and see this error, it usually means OBS cannot detect a compatible graphics card on your system. This can happen if your GPU drivers are outdated, your system is using integrated graphics instead of the dedicated GPU, or your GPU does not meet the minimum requirements for OBS. In this video, I will show you every possible way to fix this problem. You will learn how to update your GPU drivers, switch OBS to use the dedicated graphics card, check your system settings, and adjust OBS configurations to make it detect your GPU correctly. I will also cover troubleshooting tips for older or unsupported graphics cards, so you can still run OBS without errors. Follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, the GPU not supported error will be gone, and OBS Studio will run smoothly for streaming and recording. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss the exact solutions that work.